Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips. If you want to get your first job with us, you can achieve the success path with us. So if you want to do that, you have to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button beside that so that you will receive all the latest video when we will publish in our channel. So let's start this video. In today's video, I will discuss about two job notifications which has come from Geo, another one which has come from Cognizant. Okay, so Geo of Campus Drive, they are hiring for graduate trainee engineer position. So Reliance Geo is a Indian telecommunication company. So headquarter is in Mumbai. The education required is BE Tech and experience required is freshers. So the job responsibilities will be you have to design, plan, engineer end-to-end international networks, coordinate with the device product teams to support the requirements of 4G, 3G, 2G roaming capabilities, validate the technical requirements, execute validation of service providers, support the preparation of technical levels. So basically the skills and competencies required for this particular off-campus drive is knowledge of 4G, 3G, 2G network, knowledge of network deployment, communication skills must be good, written and verbal both, analytical skills you have, and you must be a team player and business acumen knowledge. So basically this job is ideal for EC and I mean to say the electronics and communication and electronics and instrumentation, all these candidates. Okay, so you just need to click on apply link. The last date is not mentioned, so you have to apply before the link expired. If you click on the apply link, then Geo career page will be open for you. So you can see the job date posted is 27th of August. It's a recent job update. So BE BTech required, freshers drive it is. So you just need to click on apply now button, and then you have to click on the email and give the email address and password for login. Otherwise for new user, hit the new user button. Then by putting email address, password, first name, date of birth, your capture code here, your phone number, and confirmation of the password and last name, you need to create and confirm your account. Then the registration will be done or the profile will be created. Then after logging in, you have to fill the personal details and professional details and educational details. Then you will be able to apply for the Geo off campus drive. So if you face any challenge, please let me know in the comment box. And so for the next job notification, let's move to the next job notification which has come from Cognizant. So they are hiring freshers again, programmer analyst position it is. So you have to just go through the profile. It's a programming analyst profile, freshers drive, working location is Chennai. So basic qualification required is bachelor in engineering or equivalent. The requirement analysis you have to do, study the requirements shared by the performance analyst, interpret the requirements and participate in KT calls, the knowledge transfer call to understand the requirements. You have to design, collect data on production environment and configuration from infrastructure team or client, provide the inputs on test environment team, conduct code profiling during development stage, interpret profiling statistics and identify issues with the codes, execution and recommendation. You need to do, develop proof of concepts in short turnaround. You have to do some knowledge sharing, support in maintaining the COE website, collect and present the technical artifacts, and participate in knowledge sharing, contribute the knowledge repository tools. So you need to just click on apply link. Only the shortlisted candidates are informed for the further process. So just if you click on the apply link, then this page will be open to you. Programmer analyst position Chennai. Job ID is 00043920761. Just click on apply now. Then the registration form will be open to you. You need to proceed the candidate privacy notice. You have to upload your resume here. Then your first name, last name, email address will be automatically fetched from the resume, and the other details which are not fetched from the resume, that you need to fill, like your phone number, if you are previously employed by Cognizant or not, your total year of experience, 0 to multiple years can apply, your skill set. Then after clicking on next, you need to provide the personal information and professional information. So two step process for this application of programmer analyst position. So that's it, my friend. So that's the all job notification, the 2 job notification I want to share with you. So here CS, IT, EC, all these candidates are eligible. So don't waste your time. The apply now button is present. Last date is not given. So try to apply as soon as possible. And let me know if you face any challenge in the comment box, and you can subscribe our channel and follow us in our Instagram profile there also. You can directly DM me. I will try to solve your doubts. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video with new job updates.